Alright, retake. This is a standard lock, I guess would say. Probably just by looking at the core, maybe 6 pins, you know, whatever. Good size lock. Unlocking position. We're going to pick it counterclockwise, so we will unlock it. We're not going to relock it. Just going to lock it out here. Unlocked right now. Right there. Let me zoom out a little bit. There you go. We're in the lock position. Has a little bit leeway both ways, but you know, our doors are moving, so we're gonna use a I'm gonna call it half city rake, but you know I'm probably wrong here. Sparrows pick. Permission to this one, and happy picking, people. Let's see if I can get this. Sorry about the wobbliness. I don't have a stand. I'll show you my stand in a minute. It's made of plastic. See, core's not moving, just a little bit leeway. Has good tension, you can actually feel it. To use it a little bit sideways, so I'm holding it a little bit. Expand a bit for the. Tone. So let's hear that little snap. There you go, sorry about that. And it's opened. Turning it counterclockwise, upside down here. And yeah, sorry about that. I picked it a bunch of times. You know, I'm using the jiggle method, rake method, I guess. And I'd say it has about 6 pins. Let me show you my tools. See if you can see that really well. Zoom out a little bit, get an actual frame. So, good stuff.